set shuffle image wallpaper on your iPhone 17 for that, unlock your phone and go to your setting, and under setting you can see the wallpaper option. Go to wallpaper, press on add new wallpaper. Now you have to press on photo shuffle. Now here you can set people, nature, cities, or album, specific album. For example, you want to set favorite album, or you want to set photo manually. For example, I want to set this image, or this image as a, then press on this icon. Then here you can see you can also customize your cloak or other thing. Press on add. Now if you want to those image as a apps background or log scan background, you can do it, but if you want to customize, you can also customize from it with color, gradient, or photo as well. Now press on done, then set as current. Now if you go back, then you can see it's set. Now if you press the double tap, then your image will be changed, and also it will be changed like 1 hour or 30 minutes. You can change set your time as well. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.